Alright, so I'm looking at this 5 minute demand zone on NAS 100, or sorry, SPX 500. We have the 200 EMAs below. The only reason that I'm a little bit skeptical about this trade is purely because you can see that we're breaking highs and then we're breaking lows, and then obviously now we're breaking highs. So clearly the market is in consolidation, doesn't know where it wants to go. And when I go to the 1 hour, it's obviously bullish, but we are a little bit high up. So I'm not really sure, especially when I go to the 4 hour. You can see we've been pushing up for a pretty long time. So the possibilities of the market giving a retracement is high, but at the same time, it is SPX, and we know that these are bullish pairs. So I'm not really too worried about price being super high up, but I'm still a little skeptical. I'm not sure. I don't know. But yeah, if price taps this zone, I'm pretty certain I'm going to take it unless I change my mind. Now this price action. Oh my goodness.
Order filled.
Alright, we got the break of the candle. I'm in for buys. That happened so fast. Stop loss is going to go underneath the red candle. Let me just bring over trade of 8. So one sell stop underneath the red candle. And then I need to figure out where my take profit's going to go, because I think we're about to hit it actually. $5,827. So on the top of this right candle, take profit. Ooh, that doesn't look good.
Stop filled.
Yeah, we got stopped out.
Stop filled.
Crazy work. That's crazy. Alright, well, it's one loss for today. If I find any more setups, I'll take it. If not, then we'll just leave it at that. Alright, so I'm looking at this support zone right here. I don't know, the market is just really in some weird conditions. So I feel like the best thing to do is trade exactly what you see, and not really try to like go for an overall trend. So I think because we broke this low, there's a good chance that the market's going to continue to go down a little bit. So I'm going to take my chances on this little break and retest setup right here. Basically what that looks like is we break this low, which we did, tap back into the zone, and basically just get the break of the candle back to the downside. As long as price doesn't close above these blue lines, the zone's valid. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. We'll see what happens with this setup.
Order filled.
Alright, we got the break of the candle. So with this trade, stop loss is going to go above the red candle. And my take profit, let me calculate that real quick. It's going to go to 27, so 3,027.6 right here. Alright, let's see what this wants to do. About to hit take profit on this one.
Order filled.
Okay, for some reason, there
Order
we go.
filled.
Alright, we hit take profit on the first TP. I left another 3 positions open. Just to potentially make more. Because when I look at the higher time frame, it looks like it wants to just drop from here. So I split half of my positions. One take profit was there. The second take profit is obviously right here. I guess since that's now hit take profit, I should probably remove this one, this stop loss, and put 3 positions. Alright, let's just see what this second position wants to do. So far I'm in profit 800, so that's good because you guys just seen me lose 800 literally right before this, so just glad to make that money back. Fuck it. 4 hour looks good though.
Order filled.
Let's go, bro. Let's take profit hit on that runner. Alright, so I just want to go over today, bro, because today was just really weird day. I took a trade that I've never taken in my life. I don't trade support and resistance setups. That was the first time I ever took one, but it paid off, and I guess that's the perks to being versatile on the market. I know how to trade supply and demand. I know how to trade liquidity grabs. I guess I know how to trade support and resistance. I don't know, but we'll keep that in mind that support and resistance setups are possible. I'll definitely be looking for more in the future. But yeah, bro, let's just look at SPX right quick because as you guys seen, I took, I believe, this demand setup right here. So what happened with that was, I just really was not paying attention. I completely forgot news was coming out 5:30. Obviously, the candle that took me out was a 5:30 candle, so news just completely wrecked me. And then, of course, the setup goes in my favor. So yeah, that was my mistake. I was not paying attention. And then NAS, I just spotted we just smacked a very clean supply setup. This setup was super duper clean. I'm really kind of upset that I got impatient and missed out on this. But I mean, this is just textbook. You got the 200 EMA above. You go to the 1 hour. Obviously, we've been trending up for a really long time, so it's like there's a retracement bound to happen, right? And that's exactly what happened. The market just is giving that retracement. Very clean setup. And then with gold, we just had this support and resistance setup. So this is something I just surprised myself with. I didn't even know I was gonna take this until last second. I just seen like all these wicks right here, and I was like, wait, that looks like a really good resistance level. So yeah, I don't know. I just was like, okay, we got a double top. We didn't make a higher high. We're in consolidation. Truthfully, the market can go anywhere right now. And when I go to the higher time frame, it kind of just looks like it may want to come down. I don't know. It's really hard to tell because we are in consolidation. But I don't know. It just gave me that vibe. So I took it, and the rest was history. But yeah, so today made 1900. I'm just gonna say 2K because I'm like $5 off. I got the account to 155K, so we're halfway there to 159, I believe it is, to pass the challenge. But yeah, it's Wednesday. We got tomorrow, and then we got Friday. So let's just see what the rest of this week has for us. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here.